Hello everyone, today I would like to share something about the Empower Network blogging system. As you can see the inside view of this blogging system here, it looks very good and it's very easy to use. Let me just share some details with you. Okay, so let me start it with the left sidebar. Here you can see kind of all the information like posts, media, pages, appearance, users, tools, settings. Let me start with the post section. This post section is all about where we do all kind of submit our post. Like you can see the all post, add new post, categories, tags, etc. Let me just start with this all post. As you can see here, I have some of my posts here. Around 8 posts I have written, and this Empower Network blog. Here it is. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to manage. Okay. Suppose if you would like to add a new post, you just simply need to click on this Add New button here, and it will open up a new window. Here it is. You can just simply add a title. It's my first. And here you can add the description like it's my first okay. So here you can see this I have written, and on the right sidebar you can see that you want to save it on draft. If you would like to see a preview, simply click on that preview button. Okay, it will show you a preview. Okay, we will see that preview later. So suppose if you have written your post and you would like to publish it, here are some of the categories I have. The blogging category, Empower Network, Make Money Online, reviews and testimonials. So you can select any of the category you have and simply click on the publish button, and it will be published in your blog. Here are the categories. Look at these categories. Here you can add as many as categories you want for your blog. Like I always talk about blog, Empower Network, Make Money, reviews, testimonial, etc. So this is very easy to use. Okay, let me just jump on another section, which is media. Here I always add, in media you can add images. Like I have these images to my blog. Here I add images, and if required these images I simply use the image URL. Like let me just show you something. Add it, and this is here it is, the image URL, as you can see, and I use these images URL if required in my blog post or any of my blog pages or something. So you can simply add as many as images to your blog and then use it in your blog post or pages anywhere. So here is the pages section. Let me show you how many pages I have. When I click on those all pages, here it is. We have some pre-written pages by Dave on our blog, but I have written some of the pages like About Us, FAQ, and Join Sachin and Make Money with Empower Network. You can write also these pages, and it will be and publish it on your blog. And let me show you. Here it is. Let me show you my blog, how it looks like. Here it is. So as you can see my blog, here is the header image. You can change it in your blog by admin section. Let me show you. Here it is the theme section. Yes, there are two themes in this blog. Number one is this by default, and number two is this one. I am using this theme, and here you can see customize it by changing your own header. Then I have these 3 pages which I have removed all other one, and I am going with these 2, and you can add as many as pages in your blog. Here is the post section. As soon as you write a new post, it will come in your home page, as you can see here. And then moving forward, on the right sidebar I have the categories on top. and here I have the banners with a link, like I have written one blog review for this Make Money Online book review, and once you click on this link it will take you the review page. Here I have the Join Me Empower Network link. Again here I have one more banner which is talking about, if you like my post and make your first online income in next 30 to 90 days, join me on Empower Network. And and downside I have recent post section and then recent comment. So this is how my blog look like. You can manage it. It's very simple by the theme section and widgets. Yes, this widget section you can see. Here I have all the right sidebar I am managing through this widget section, like categories. In text I have added the banners. In the second text, the big banner about join me on Empower Network, the recent posts and recent comments, etc. In the right side text I have also added a Google Analytic code, on which is like giving me complete detail about in analytics about my blog, how many page views, how many visits I am receiving for this blog. So here it is, and here is one more user section which is not required for now, but yes, it can be used moving forward. Then we have tools and settings, which is not I don't recommend to do anything in this section because I am not doing anything right now. If I do, I'll surely let you know how to move forward with these sections. So mainly we have these 3-4 sections which are required for blogging and to start with Empower Network, and this is how your blog can look like. It looks, I have shown it to so many people and they said yes, it is looking good. So I hope you will also like my blog, and that's it. It's very easy. So thank you for watching this video, and read the complete details on my blog about this blogging system, Empower Blogging System, which will also help you to understand what Empower Network blogging system is and how it can help you make money online. Thank you very much. Thank you.